Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So my dear students, today we will learn our new topic, that is sentence structure. So a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay. So a sentence which gives us a complete sense or complete meaning, so that is a sentence. Okay, we can construct a sentence with combining words. Okay, see, a sentence begins with a capital letter. If you write a letter, so you should start a sentence with a capital letter. Okay, a sentence begins with a capital letter. Okay, now see, the sentence ends with full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. So these are the punctuation marks that we have learned in our previous class. Okay, so you should keep in mind, when we write a sentence, so we should write the beginning letter of the sentence in capital letter, and when we end our sentence, so we have to end with a full stop. This is full stop. A question mark. This is a question mark, or an exclamation mark. That is, this is exclamation mark. Now see the examples. I love my school. So here we have I have started the sentence with capital letter and end with punctuation mark, because I am saying I love my school, so it's a statement. So I have to put full stop. Do you like coffee? So it's a question. So that's why I have to write question mark. Wow, the dress is lovely. So here we express our feelings that the dress is lovely. So that's why we use exclamation mark. So we use full stop for the statement, question mark for the questioning, and exclamation mark for expressing the feelings. So my dear students, one thing you have to keep in mind, that if you start your sentence, so you should capitalize the first letter and ends with punctuation mark. Okay, see, what is a statement? Statement tells a fact or an idea. Okay, statement tells us a fact or an idea. And statement ends with a full stop. Statement ends with a full stop. Okay. So this is a statement. When we talk about statement or when we give a statement, so we should end with full stop. See, question. What is a question? So when we ask for answer, so that is a question. If I ask you, do you want something? So I ask and I need a answer. So that's why I ask you that you need something. So question is when we ask for an answer, so that's a question. And question is always ends with a question mark. Question always ends with a question mark. Okay? Statements ends with a full stop and question ends with question mark. Now see, complete sentence. So what is a complete or incomplete sentence? See, a sentence which give a meaning, so that is a complete sentence. So in this sentence, I have 2 ducks. So the sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. So this is a complete sentence and it gives a complete sense. What time is it? so it's a question and it's a complete question because it starts with a capital letter W and ends with a question mark. So it's a complete question and it gives a complete sense that what time is it. Okay. Now see what is incomplete sentence. Now incomplete sentence. So incomplete sentence are the sentences which do not give any sense. जिसका कोई मतलब नहीं होता. Okay, that didn't give us a meaning. I girl am. So the sentence is wrong because the first letter is not capital and it does not end with any punctuation mark and the sentence is not sensible. I girl am. So it's not a sensible sentence. Now see the second sentence. I am a girl. So the sentence is correct. It gives a meaning that I am a girl. But this sentence is also wrong because it doesn't starts with a capital letter and it doesn't end with a punctuation mark. So, incomplete sentences are the sentences which do not give any sense and complete sentences are the sentences which gives us sense. Okay? So, my dear students, like this we can construct our sentences. We can construct sentences by joining different words and that word or sentence gives us a complete meaning. Okay, and we have to write a sentence. The beginning letter should be capital and ends with punctuation mark. Punctuation mark, whether it is full stop, it is exclamation mark, or it is a question mark. Okay, so my dear students, this is all about sentence structure. So keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.